Let me create an inspection plan. So we can go to QP01, press enter key, and my material is 68, plant is 1710, press enter key. So it is taking me to the header level information. Group counter is coming as 1, means there is no inspection plan for this material. Let me enter the usage as 3 and status as 4. Press enter key and let's save it. So my inspection plan is created with the group 242. And so if I want to see the information at the table level, then we can go to SE16N, press enter key. For header level information, it is PLKO, press enter key. We can see the header level information. My task list type is Q, so I can enter the filter for that. And my group was, let me go to the change mode of this plan. Okay, material is this, plant is this, press enter key. The group is 242. The group counter is 1. If I enter the same information here, click on execute. With the today's date, under group 241, there is one group counter and the counter is coming. Usage we have maintained as 3. Status is 4. And this is the description which is maintained for it. Header level information. This data we can check in the table PLKO. Okay. And if I want to see the material assignment relevant information, where we can maintain vendor specific or customer specific plan also, and this is the group counter. At present, 68 material is assigned to the group counter 1. And same information if I want to check at the table level, let me open another session only for it. And I can go to SE16 and the table MAPL, press enter key, and it is for the assignment of task list to the material. And if you want, you can enter the material, or let me enter the other filter, and so that we can check what material is assigned to it. My group was 242. Click on execute. The material which is assigned is 68 to this group, and the group counter is 1. Okay. Valid from date is this. We have already seen the header level information in the table and the material assignment level information. Now let's make some more changes in this inspection plan. Information in the operation, I can maintain the control key as QM01, some descriptions. For the group counter 1 and the operation 1, I'm maintaining this description, and let's save it. That's okay. It's just a warning. Let me open another session only. SE16N, press enter key. If I want to see the information for my operation PLPO, press enter key, task list in the operation. Let me enter the same filter. Task list type is Q, group is 242. Click on execute. There is one node coming under this group because we have maintained one operation so far, and the group and the counter is coming as 1. Control key we have maintained as QM01, and the plant is this. This is the description which we have maintained for the operation. Plan once again, we will assign the MIC in this operation. Select this and go to the inspection characteristics, and let me assign one MIC. Say PH, press enter key, and I can assign the sampling procedure to be used for this. Press enter key. Now if I click on consistency check, everything is okay, and let's save it. So I have maintained the information at the characteristics level also. And to check the information at the characteristics level, the table which we use is PLMK. Press enter key, entering task list type as Q and group is 242. Click on execute. Just now we have added one MIC under the node 1, which is actually the operation which we have maintained. So under the first operation, one MIC has been assigned and the characteristics number is 10. If I want to create another plan for this in the creation mode, and just enter the same material and the plant, press enter key. Already this is there. Let's click on new entries, and this time the group counter is coming as 2, and I am maintaining the usage as 5 for this, and status is 4, which is released. Go to the operation and let's assign the control key as QM01, and for the group counter 2, because this is my group counter 2, and first operation I am maintaining. Let's save it. That's okay. Now if I again check the same information in the header level information, now there should be one more entry should be added, as I have added one more inspection plan for the same material, and it is maintained in the header level information. Let me refresh it, then the another entry should be added here. And here the usage which we have maintained is 5. For this, status is 4. So operation level, it is PLPO. At present, it is showing me only one node, but we have added one more operation for the group counter 2. In the second plan, so node 2 will be added and the counter will be incremented, and the short text for this should be operation for the group counter 2. Refresh it, another entry is added with this. Characteristics level information, PLMK, we haven't assigned any MIC in the second operation, so it should not get affected. Let's refresh it. So it is again the same only. Okay, let's assign the MIC also in the second one. Go to the change mode, press enter key. In the second group counter, this time we can assign two MICs here. Let's keep say test and this one. Press enter key and let's assign some sampling procedure for it. Press enter. This time I have added these two MIC in the second group counter and the second mode. Let's save it. Continue, and we will check it in the table. MIC level, then under the second node, because in the second inspection plan, I have added two MICs, so the node 2 should come with two MICs, and the characteristics number will be 10 and 20, and the two MICs will be test and one more goes there. Let's refresh it. The node 2 is added with the characteristics number 10 and 20, and these are the MICs which are added to it. We check the PLKO, which we haven't done any changes in, so it will remain the same. Okay, let me again go to the plan and I enter, say, in the first group counter, let me add one more operation where the usage is 3 and maintaining the control key as same only. Group counter is 1 and this is the operation number 20. And in this, let me assign one MIC also. Say color in this. Press enter key. I have added this in the group counter 1 under the second operation. Save it. my table level information. So in the header level, there will not be any changes. So PLKO, we haven't done any changes in the header level, so it will remain the same. If I go to the operation level data, so now we have added one more node, okay, and there we have maintained operation group counter 2. Node 3 will be added, this counter will be incremented. If I refresh it, so one more entry is added, this counter is incremented, and this is the operation text which we have maintained in this. And if I check the MIC level information, under the node 3, there should be one MIC with the name color. This counter will be incremented. Let's see if I refresh it. This is the node number which is coming as 3 and the characteristics number is 10 and this counter is incremented. My MIC is color 1. If I delete this 20 MIC, how it will be reflecting? So it is maintained under the node 2, which means if I again go to my plan and press enter key, go to the second inspection plan, which is this is the node, second node. Under this, let's delete one MIC and select this and click on delete and then save it. No changes has been done in the operation or the header level. Only in the MIC I have done the changes. So if I refresh it, I have deleted this MIC, then the deletion mark will be added here in this. So refresh it, the deletion mark is added in this. Okay, if I add one more MIC, first node, let's see how it will work. Okay, so let me again go to my plan and this is the material. Plant is this, press enter key. For the first inspection plan, for my first operation, in the inspection characteristics, let me assign one more MIC. Press enter. Let me take some other MIC. Enter. Okay. So I can specify the sampling procedure and press enter key. So I have added one more MIC. Or MIC number is 20 under the group counter 1 for the operation node number 1. Okay. Let's save it. Again, if we go to the table level, no changes has been done in the operation or the header level. Even if I refresh it, there is no change maintained. But if I go to the MIC level, here I have added one MIC. So under the node 1, there should be one more MIC added. Characteristics number will be 20. This maximum counter is 4, which will be incremented. Okay, so let's refresh it. Under the node 1, 20 characteristics number is added and this counter is incremented and 5 is coming here in this. Every time we are making any changes, this counter is getting incremented and these are the operations or number, the sequence in which we are making the changes. First time it is operation number 1. When you are creating another operation, then it will be 2 and so on. If you are deleting it, then the deletion mark will be added here in this header level information. We have two plans. If I mark one plan as deleted, let's see the plan, press enter key and I'm selecting the first plan and present the deletion mark is not there. Let me add the deletion mark for the first plan. Save it. Now again for the inspection plan header level information. Here if I refresh it, then there is a deletion mark flag is there. It is blank for both. Let me refresh it, then it will be added in the first one. which will get updated. If I check it, here it is deletion flag. It is marked as X. Okay. So in this case, the deletion mark will be added for the first plan. This is the one deletion flag, which is marked. Okay. Let me change the plan once again and we will go to the inspection plan header level and let me remove the deletion mark here. Let me go back. So delete this second plan, okay, directly. Instead of deletion mark, I am selecting delete, say yes, and then save it. Now again at the inspection plan, this deletion mark will be removed because I have removed the deletion mark and I have deleted this second plan. Okay, so here this deletion indicator will be marked. So refresh it. Now you can see the deletion mark is added here and we have just now unchecked the deletion flag from the first one. So that will be removed in the first one. Here it is deletion flag. Okay. SE16N table for dependent characteristics is PLMW. Task list, which is Q. The details 5 and 10 is maintained for this. Also added the dependent characteristic specification. So 2 records which are maintained group as this. Select this and click on this detail information. Maintain the specification 7 and 9. Whereas in the other case we have maintained the specification 6 and 10. PLMK. The table to check the MIC. Task list as Q and group. Click on execute. Detail information. So MIC, which is size, has the specification 5 to 10.